Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in WhatsApp Web. If you use WhatsApp on your computer for work, chatting, or daily communication, switching to dark mode can make the interface more comfortable to look at, especially at night. It can also help reduce eye strain during long hours of use. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure WhatsApp Web is already open. If you haven't logged in yet, simply scan the QR code with your phone and open your chats. Now, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Google Chrome. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open Chrome's Settings page. On the left-hand side, click Appearance. Here you'll find different options to customize how Chrome looks. Look for the option called Mode. Click the drop-down menu next to it. You'll see three options: Light, Dark, and Device. To enable dark mode, simply select Dark. As soon as you choose it, Google Chrome will immediately switch to the dark theme. The browser background, tabs, menus, and settings page will all become dark. Now, return to your WhatsApp Web tab. If your browser supports it, you'll notice that WhatsApp Web also appears in dark mode. The darker interface is much easier on your eyes, especially if you're using your computer in a dimly lit room or during the evening. If the theme doesn't change immediately, don't worry. Simply refresh the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking the reload button near the address bar. After the page reloads, the dark appearance should be applied. If WhatsApp Web is still not showing dark mode, make sure you're using the latest version of Google Chrome. You can update Chrome by opening the three-dot menu, selecting Help, then clicking About Google Chrome. If an update is available, install it and restart the browser. Then open WhatsApp Web again and check if the dark theme is working. Using dark mode doesn't change your chats or messages. It only changes the appearance of the interface, making it more comfortable and modern while you continue using WhatsApp as usual. And that's it. That's how you can enable dark mode in WhatsApp Web in 2026. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.